Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. It's the time for another 10 cards, one Doodlebug collection collab with my friends Helen and Cheryl. The Doodlebug collection I will be using is the Lots of Love collection. I have the 6x6 paper pad and odds and ends for this one. I already detached the papers that I will be using for my cards, and those are the patterns I chose. And here I'm showing you the images that you get from the odds and ends package. It comes with 136 die cut pieces, and here are the ones that I'm going to use on my cards today. I use sentiments from my old card kit from my monthly Hero Arts January 2020. I like the long and skinny sentiments from this card kit. And I also have my A2 size card bases in different colors. These cardstocks are from Paper Tree Ink. I also use a few die sets from my stash. I use square stitch dies and circle stitch die set from Amazon, Momenta Scalloped square die set, Spellbinders fancy edge ovals, and Elizabeth Craft Designs dashing circles. My cards are very simple. I use card sketches that I found on Pinterest. I also use cardstocks from my stash to help with the layering on my cards. And here is my card number one. I will leave some music here and I will be back at the end. Enjoy the video. For the embellishment, I'm going to use this iridescent yellow sequins from my friend Helen. I really like this sequence because it has different sizes, and I also pull out my iridescent clear sequins from my stash. I will adhere them with micro glue dots. And here are my 10 cards, one Doodlebug collection. These cards are super cute. I love the paper layering on these ones. Please check out my friends' videos and see what they created with their choice of Doodlebug collection. All the links will be in the description box below. I hope you like today's cards and get inspired. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.